In this short tutorial, I will guide you through the process of redeeming an Amazon gift card on the Amazon app. Redeeming your gift card is a simple and convenient way to add funds to your Amazon account, allowing you to purchase a wide range of products from the comfort of your home. To get started, open up the Amazon app and then tap on the Account button at the bottom. After that, tap on the Your Account button. What you want to do next is scroll down until you see the Payments section. Once you've found it, tap on the Manage Gift Card Balance option. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Redeem Another Gift Card. Just tap on it. Now you have the ability to redeem gift cards. There are two ways you can do that. You can either scan the claim code using your phone's camera or enter the claim code manually. Once you've entered the code, tap on the Apply to Your Balance button to claim and add the amount to your balance. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.